What happened, dude?
I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah.
This is the stupidest and most disrespectful DUI I've ever seen, and I'm going to show you the stack of charges this guy received at the end of this video. But first, let's watch the body cam footage.
Shit. Fairview 187. My vehicle's just been hit. Started an ambulance.
Hey, what happened?
You tell me.
I need a new car.
Somebody ran into me, pushed my vehicle into the other vehicle, started an ambulance, need a supervisor. Here, come over here, buddy. Get out of the road. Here, have a seat real quick. Have a seat. You all right?
Yeah, I'm all right.
What happened, dude?
I don't know, man. I've been drinking.
You been drinking?
Yeah, I've been drinking.
Okay.
And I took some weed pills.
Some weed pills?
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody else in the car?
Nah, it's just me.
187. Started trooper. Here, just sit down, man. Just sit down.
All right.
Driver tells me he's been drinking and took some weed pills.
Here, let me get
No.
my phone.
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
I don't want you to get hit, okay? Hey, you guys all right up in there? All right, just hang tight, okay?
Can I stand up? My head's getting like...
Just sit down, man. You just in a bad accident. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? You wandering around out in that traffic, somebody gonna hit you.
Somebody gonna hit me. I got insurance. It ain't gonna cover that though.
Well, I don't know, but that's not what we're concerned about right now. We're concerned about everybody's okay, all right?
All right. I did that on purpose, sir.
What, you hit me on purpose?
Yeah, I did.
Why is that?
I'm bored.
You bored?
I'm bored.
So you ran in the back of me on purpose?
Yep.
Why is that?
I hate cops, man.
Yeah? All right. We got an ambulance coming, okay?
All right.
All right.
They gonna take me home while I'm going?
I don't know. You ain't got no weapons on you, do you?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
All right. So am I going in the ambulance?
They're going to come and check you out, okay, partner?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, now we're on the Fairview Heights Police Facebook page, and this white vehicle right here was originally pulled over for having a sticker on the license plate that was expired for 5 years. But luckily, after the crash, the two occupants in the white vehicle were uninjured, and they just received a warning for their expired registration. Now, the driver that hit the cruiser was 28-year-old Keyshawn Jennings driving this 2018 Chevrolet Camaro. And as you can see, I'll pause it here, the damage he did to this police cruiser is very extensive, and that matters because when dealing with criminal damage to government property in the state of Illinois, when you exceed over $1,000, it turns from a misdemeanor into a felony. So I'm going to explain all the charges that Keyshawn received. Count 1, criminal damage to government property. Counts 2 and 3, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. And count 4, aggravated assault with a motor vehicle. So as we can see here, we have 4 felonies. And the reason why these charges are so severe is obviously because he admitted on body cam that he did it on purpose and that he did it because he hates cops. Now, if he didn't say those things, he probably would have gotten charged with just a DUI and reckless driving. All right, so in conclusion, this is the worst case of self-incrimination I've ever seen. This man said he hates cops, but his mouth and his words are gonna cause him to spend a whole lot of time with cops. I think he'll get 3 to 5 years in prison. He could get less, he could get more. But in my opinion, in this case, the truth shall not set you free. The truth shall set your prison sentence. And this is why knowing your Miranda rights is so crucial. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. Those words have never been truer after researching this footage. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think that he did the right thing by being brutally honest and maybe he'll get good karma out of this? Or do you agree with me that this is the stupidest DUI of all time? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video.